Hello everyone. I put together this video to give you a walkover of SalesShark CRM. So let me just first log into this page. So this is the default UI that you get once you are inside into SalesShark CRM. So basically there are three components of SalesShark. The first component is called SalesShark Engage, second is SalesShark Connect, third is SalesShark Discover. Each component has different functionalities and features. So let me just first start with SalesShark Engage. So SalesShark Engage is built with some elements that we call modules. Each module has a different functionalities which are sometimes integrated and which are sometimes standalone. Okay, so let me just first start with the lead module. So I clicked on lead and I get this page. So what lead module does, lead module helps me to create my sales funnel. Okay, so if you have leads coming from all possible sources, be it online or offline, you can manage all the leads at one place. That is called lead module. Here you can manually create the leads or you can import the leads as well from your Excel file. Also, you can integrate your web pages or the Facebook pages with this CRM and you can get this lead. You can get all those leads at this place itself. Second module that we have in SalesShark Engage is account. Let's suppose if you have this need of adding multiple contacts with a company or with multiple contacts with a lead, then you will have to convert that lead into account. So account module helps the businesses to add multiple contacts into the structure. Also, account helps you to add multiple opportunities as well. Let's suppose if you are dealing with multiple people in the organization and if you want the records to be created for the same, then you can use this feature to add all those details. So you can assume account like a tree. Once you have an account in place, you can create multiple contacts and you can create multiple opportunities. At, so these are basically four modules that helps you to manage all the data that you have related to your leads. Okay, and once in each module you have this privilege of planning your activities. Let's suppose if I go into this lead module page, you have this activities tab. Okay, where you can create your task. Okay, you can schedule your task, you can plan your task, and you can perform the actions accordingly. In each module, SalesShark CRM provides you this flexibility of creating your tasks. The next element that we get in SalesShark Engage is forecast. Forecast section helps you to design your sales pipeline in the CRM. For example, if you want to set the monthly, quarterly, or yearly targets for your businesses, so forecast section helps you to design all those things in order to have a sales structure in place. And you can view all these aspects directly on the dashboard. Okay, so we have this dashboard which has three parts, that is sales, marketing, and activity. Okay, and each part provides you a visual representation of different kind of activities that you perform under different modules. Okay, we have this one more section called activity and task, wherein you can create your task and you can view the task that you have aligned in the schedule. Okay, so this is the sales engage part that we have covered. Coming to the second aspect of the SalesShark CRM, which is called SalesShark Connect, it is basically an integrated marketing tools that comes with the SalesShark CRM purchases. Let's suppose that if you want to reach out to your customers using any email marketing campaigns, then you don't need to go at any other platform. SalesShark CRM does provide you that option where you can manage the customer database of your email list. You can also create your own template, be it in the HTML form, be it in the text form. You can create some advanced level campaigns here, and you can shoot the campaigns instantaneously, or if you want to schedule your campaigns, that can also be done. So it is equipped with all such advanced level features which are required in order to run a professional email marketing campaigns for your customers. So let me just give you a brief of all those features. So this is the marketing module that helps the organizations to do all those activities that I have just mentioned. Okay, So the campaigns tab is basically used to create all kind of campaigns. In this particular section, you can just go inside and you can create your own campaigns, right? The second feature in that list is templates. If you have the need of creating some templates in advance prior to sending the emails to your customers, so this is the section that helps you to create those templates, right? You can create the templates for all the modules, be it lead, contact, account, campaigns, and opportunity, and you can schedule the campaigns accordingly, right? You can use a campaign which has been used earlier also. So this is the feature that helps the organizations to manage all their content related activities, right? The third feature is manage list. Here you can manage the databases that you have related to your leads, right? You can import them. Let's suppose if you have the file in place, Excel file, so you can just type in the name, right? Type in the description, can click on next. Then you have this option of directly uploading the database from your computer. You can enter them manually over here, the list you have, or you have the other applications as well that you can use to import your databases, be it Saleshark app itself, which is directly connected to this engage part. Let's suppose if you have a lead in place or account in place on which you want to run an email marketing campaign, so you can fetch that database from there, right? We also have a lead sourcing tool which is called Data Guru and the global data. So these two tools actually help you out to find out your prospects that we will cover later. Okay, apart from that, if you have any LinkedIn contact database, if you have any Gmail contact database, of your Outlook contact database, so you can import all that into your list over here. Once you have run your campaign, you want to know what is the analytics of it, how the campaign has performed. So in order to do that, you need to go to analytics page. Once you are into analytics, it shows you different numbers that are important for the measurement of the campaign performance, be it the number of campaigns delivered, be it the number of emails delivered, what is the bounce rate, what are the number of leads generated, what is the drop rate, what is the click rate, what is the open rate. So all these aspects you will be able to cover in the analytics part. This brings me to the final aspect of the Saleshark CRM, that is called Saleshark Discover. It is the third component that we will discuss about. So when it comes to Saleshark Discover, this is basically a lead sourcing a tool that helps the business organizations to search for the relevant prospects that they need to look out for their business to grow. Okay, let's suppose that if you are an organization and you want to have a database in place and you want to reach out to them. So what Saleshark does for you is that it provides you a repository of databases that you can look out for. Like for example, once you have clicked in this app, right, you will get these different filters that you can apply, and you can look out for your prospects using these different criterias, right? We also have this one more app called Global Data Search that helps the big business organizations globally to look out for the prospects.